Hi guys. Next step in our Google Classroom training. Again, this is just something to kind of help you out and for me to learn the program along with you because there have been some updates. Is creating an assignment. So we've shared in our stream. I'm going to continue to update this with our Muraski minutes throughout the summer. But now we will add an assignment. So one of the beautiful things about Google Classroom is the fact that you can create a one-stop shop for all your student assignments. So I'm going to click classwork, and here I have a draft made. I'm actually going to delete that draft just for now because I want to see you or help you guys see this done from scratch. So as you can see, I have no assignments in here right now, but I'm going to go ahead and create an assignment. Now, I've been working a lot with our Writing Revolution. So I'm going to say the Writing Revolution. And hopefully you're getting a chance to read some of those because they're really, really phenomenal activities to develop students' writing. But we're going to say because, but, and so. And then I could type instructions here. So please complete and turn the assignment into me. Now you can get as detailed as you want in the instructions, but I'm going to keep it very basic for right now. And then we start to get into how do I attach things. Again, another beautiful part about Google Classroom is it's from the Google Suite, so it works seamlessly with Google Drive. So I'm going to add from my Google Drive, and I'm going to go into it. It allows me to do recents, but I'm going to go into my Drive, pick the Writing Revolution, and pick this doc. Now, it appears right there. Now, this is an important feature here, is you want to look at three different things. You can either say, hey, I'm going to allow students to view this file only. So it will open up and just open up there for them to view. We can allow students to edit the file. We do not want to use this one. This, what it does is it opens up so there's one document for all of your kids, and they can see it, and they can edit it. You do not want that. You would want that. We'll talk about that a little bit later. You would want that if it was a collaborative project or something like that. We want to make a copy for each student. And this is wonderful because the students don't have to worry about naming the document. Once they create it, it names it for them, and they can kind of work along their own personal Google Doc that has all the stuff that's in there that you would like them to do. So I'm going to say make a student, a copy for each student. Then we get into our assignment details. So who is this for? If I have multiple sections, so our fifth grade teachers who departmentalize, you can assign it to each one of your classrooms if you would like. Points possible, I'm just going to say it's 10 points. The due date and time, I'm going to select a due date, and my picture's in the way here, so I'm going to say next Friday, and let's say by 11:59 p.m. So that's there. You don't have to have a due date. All of that is optional. And then I'm gonna actually create a topic, and I'm gonna say writing because I want this to filter into that topic of writing. The topic allows you to kind of organize some of your assignments. So we're gonna stop there. That is as basic as we can get for adding an assignment. I'm gonna come up and click on assign. Now, I can do one of three things. I can assign it right now. I can schedule it to roll out later. So if you are on a planning day, say we're working on a Friday and we want to prepare all our assignments for the next week, but you want them to go out on a daily basis, you can schedule them for a certain time on a certain day, which is a nice little feature. Or you could just save it and wait till later. I'm just going to assign it for now. It's assigning that to kids. And then you'll see here as it pops up now so I have my stream. Now in my classwork, underneath the writing topic, I have the Writing Revolution because, but, and so. So this is a really, really nice feature. Again, grades, we can grade through here and we can provide grades through here. It's just a very, very nice feature. And it allows students to turn things in. And when students do turn things in, you'll get notifications, and you'll be allowed to kind of instantaneously access kids' documents, grade, and go from there. Hope that helps. Again, I'm going to continue to give you just brief little updates because I'm trying to learn with you, and hopefully you're taking the time to enjoy a wonderful summer.